that bad boy right here. So sometimes I've had this blow off, but you see I got the hose clamp on here and the zip tie, but it loosens up, and you can see how it's still coming out. I'm trying to press it in, but matter of fact, I just pull it out a little bit, right? But that nylon tubing goes to this vape canister right here. But yeah, it was almost cutting off on me while I was driving. So yeah, but like I say, I apply pressure. Like if you go full throttle or you increasing the pressure coming from the fuel pump, that fuel will blow by and that pressure will go down, that vacuum will go down, and it's definitely a big issue. So anyway, got that coming in.